What's good, YouTube? This is Kira Hargrove here. Today I have an unboxing of the GoPro Hero7. Yesterday I was using my GoPro Hero 3. The old model, that was a 2012, 2013 model. And I got that like, I guess a couple months after, maybe like a year later it released. This one right here, I was using it yesterday and it just stopped working for some reason. I mean, it still works, like, but it just stopped working yesterday when I was filming a new trick, and I had recorded and it just stopped at 7 seconds for some reason. So I'm like, let me just go ahead and just buy a new one. So I just got the Hero7 Silver. I paid $200 for it at Walmart. So let's get this cracked open. Yeah, I remember this from the 2013 to 2013 one. Still got the stickers. Instructions. And also the app wasn't even working properly yesterday too when I was using it. Remember this? It's like a different. But yeah, I was using it yesterday. I still got these in my closet, a couple of these. I have one in my car right now. I was using my GoPro to film myself going to school and stuff, but now I have this new one. But yeah, the app wasn't working properly yesterday when I was using my GoPro Hero 13, I said 13, Hero 3, and it just wasn't working, so I was just like, might as well get a new one. What the freak? I can't even. I can't even get this off. They just had to put this thing. Oh, let me just put this. Oh, you lift that up and then pull it out. Duh. There we go. That's a cool new feature they have on there. I guess it's a screen. Thank God, because I had to keep using the app in order to do that. So I guess you do pull it back. Yeah, you do. What the freak? And you lift it. Wow, this is really different. This is awesome. Pull this down. Camera should slow. Oh, you put. Oh, wow. It's way different from back then. What the heck? So this, you just pop that off, put it in. It's like secure housing, and you just put that in there. I mean, this one is secure, but it's not like all around it. So this is what it looks like. This is awesome. Dang, I already got fingerprints on the front of it. Gotta dust it off. Gotta take this little thing off. Wow, this is beautiful. Yeah, I'm glad this is a screen, because it was kind of crazy trying to go back and forth and look at the app, but I used my other camera that I'm using now to record this, so to look back at stuff. I wonder if it's charged. Oh yeah, this thing is definitely not charged. Oh shoot, it is. What the freak? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what the freak? Do you all see this? Oh my gosh, you can see. This is awesome. I really don't know how to use this one. I'm just turn this off. And then set it up later. I guess you push this button, push and slide at the same time, I guess. Oh, there we go. There we go. Can you lift? Oh wow, this is awesome. So hopefully this is compatible with it. There we go. Got it in there. Had to use my nail to push it down. Rest in peace. Close this. Crap. Get this even. Didn't even close all the way. There we go. Already got fingerprints on the screen. That's awesome. And I'm about to use this app right quick and GoPro app. Crap, it says no camera found. Okay, let me see. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know it was touchscreen. What the freak? I kept doing it like the original way, like kept like pressing buttons. Wow, I'm crazy. Okay, let's go. That's a check mark right there. That's English. Okay, agree on. Hero7 so. There you go. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. I'm glad I got this camera. It was well needed. This says camera update available. We're gonna skip it. And it says this already. Connecting to the internet, the camera's Wi-Fi. That's crazy. It is. This is dope. This is dope. Wow, this is awesome. It's way better. See, look, it's even updated on the app. Cause if you use the a previous GoPro like I was, the layout on the screen will be different. So, wow. Okay, yeah, that SD card was definitely compatible with it. I have 2 hours left. Oh yeah, this is 65%. Explore your GoPro. Tap the buttons on the screen to get to know your camera. 4K video. Shoot ultra high resolution, sharp, professional results. This is awesome. Short clips, capture 10 clips for easy sharing. Change to 30 seconds for purposes. Slow mo, capture action, then replay. This is dope. Oh my gosh. Touch zoom. Slide to zoom in or out. Oh wow. They did the doggone thing with this. Okay, that's it. I just need to charge my camera. Oh shoot. Hold on. Okay, yeah, the different modes you can change it. Time lapse. This is sweet. Okay, video camera. But yeah, I'm about to turn this camera off, let it charge. It's 65%. I got 2 hours and 7 minutes of footage that I can film. And you can see both compatible with the app and the camera itself. But yeah, I just want to do an unboxing. Crap, I keep touching. But yeah, I want to do an unboxing of this camera. because I'm so excited I got this finally. I need a new one. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. You have a blessed day. Stay safe. Please not rate. I think this is the YouTube from back then. But please like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, all that social media stuff. And yeah, thanks for watching.